In this exercise, we will learn how to create a golden effect by using a layer style blending option. Okay, let's see how this option will work. We can see here this layer is locked. So let's just make it unlocked by double-clicking on it and press OK. And let's change the background color into any dark color. Let's press Shift and Backspace. And here, let's choose a black color. Okay, now make a new layer by clicking on the new layer icon. And then choose the next tool and click here. And we can write any text. Let's write growing fast, something like that, in capital letters. And we can adjust the font size from here. And let's change the font. Let's say this one. Okay, now we can change the text color into light orange, something like this. All right, now click on Layer Style and let's choose the blending option from here. Or we can also double click on the layer on this gray side to open the Layer Style option. Good. Now choose Bevel and Emboss and choose Style Inner Bevel. And the techniques can be smooth. For depth, we can adjust, let's say 250. For the direction, we can choose the up and down option. Size, let's say 10 pixels. If I increase it, we can see how it's going to look. So let's keep it at 10. And here is the angle. We can adjust it. Let's say 120. And the other options, let's leave them as they are. Next is the glass contour option. Let's select this ring option, or we can also choose the double ring option if we want a larger degree of depth. Okay, now we can see the gold effect. Let's make a reflection effect. And let's duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl and J key. And now Ctrl and T to transform the text. Right-click on it and choose Vertical. Now we can drag it down. By clicking on it and pressing and holding the Shift key to straighten and align the text properly. Now press the Enter key. And let's make a mast on it from here. Choose the Gradient tool by pressing the G key and select here Black and White Gradient. Then choose the Linear Gradient and here click and drag something like this and by pressing and holding the Shift key. Don't worry about it if we make a mistake. We can undo that by pressing Ctrl and Z key. All right, now we can see the results. Also, we can adjust and edit the shadow by using the brush tool. We choose the layer mask and black or white foreground color and then paint on it like this. Awesome! We have learned the golden text effect. My suggestion is to do experiments to get different results. It may be tricky in the beginning, but keep playing with it and you will be successful. Thank you.